It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. Okay. Anyway, I'm back today and I'm doing another install. Today's Saturday. I don't film normally at all on Saturdays because but yeah, today's hair is from Supernova Hair and this is what it looks like right here. Of course, they did give us a silk scarf. You can definitely melt your unit down. I mean, yeah, your lace down. Just be looking cute. They did send over a pair of lashes. I also received an elastic band. They gave me a fresh edge brush. Y'all know I be going through these like it's nothing because when they get dirty, I'm just grabbing for the next one. And what else? Also, and another type of elastic band. This is just the one with the clips on them, so you can like fasten it in the back. Last but not least, and I don't even have the details. I have to get all the way up. Anyway, this is 26 inches. It's right on the package, and the density is 180%. This is what the hair looks like. Okay, we got a Bodywave wig. Y'all know how I feel about my Bodywave wigs. So you guys can see this beauty. Look at that. And we're gonna run our hands through it so we can just glide through it. You're supposed to be able to just glide with no tangling. Okay, and I ain't getting no shedding. What? Come on, Supernova. This is the construction of the unit. This is not a full lace unit. Provide you with the comb on each side. There is a part in the middle, and they do give you a little bit of room. Can you part in there? Yeah, they do give you a little bit of room to maneuver. There is a comb at the nape, and then it does come with the drawstrings, of course. Y'all know how it goes. But this is what the lace looks like, okay? And it's really no room for you to part or pluck or do any of that because the way it's constructed. As you guys can see, I'm pulling it apart. If you pull it back, of course you're just gonna see tracks. So this part right here was just to cover up the tracks that are showing. I am using my bedhead wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and slick this down first because it's just, I don't know how you like how that's looking up there. So we're gonna slay this before I lay it down. yeah, so I do have everything fully secured, and this is what it's looking like right now. This is just what it is. I am gonna go ahead and personalize it. I always say that because this is optional. You don't have to put down baby hairs. You can just leave it like this and go out the door. But I feel like for my head shape and just the way my head is built, I would look crazy. So no. So yeah, let me go ahead and pull out some baby hairs and, you know, try to finesse them. I am going to use my Guys to Be Glue gel. So I want to introduce you on my new baby, okay? I think she was about $45, $46. My ion gave out on me, y'all. But I thought I'd try Hot Shot tools because everyone uses these. They sold at the beauty supply store, they sold everywhere, and I just want to try it. So I am first gonna go in with my argan oil of Morocco, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the hair, just a little bit, because this stuff, man, could weigh down your hair. So I just love to coat my hair with this anytime I'm about to curl it. And I'm going in with the Oldie. I just went to Sally's and bought this, and this is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up Heat Flat Iron Protection. Of course, we're not flat ironing it, we're actually curling it, but I'm just gonna spray a little bit on this on there. This is my OG. This is what I used to start off always using on my hair. It makes it nice and silky and soft, but again, little goes a long way, okay? This stuff is really oily based. As you guys can see, it's starting to shine. But that's just how I like my curls. I like my curls to be like, I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it. So I always